Are you confused about how to live chat on Shein application? Well, if you are, then this video is made for you. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to live chat on Shein application. Before we start our video, do hit the subscribe button so that you'll be notified with our latest videos. Now without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Shein application. Here, after opening your Shein application, you'll be on the home page. From the home page on the below, you'll be able to see various options. From here, you'll have to tap on the Me button that is located on the very end on the right hand side corner. Once you have tapped on the Me button, here you can see various options on this page. There are two categories on the very top that are My Orders and More Services. From the category More Services, here you can see three options: Support, Service Center, and so on. Here you'll have to tap on the first option, that is Support. Once you have tapped on that option, on the very end you can see two more options that are Customer Service and Service Records. You can see various features on the top, but right now we're not focusing on that, so we'll be tapping on the Customer Service option that is located on the left hand side corner. After tapping on customer service, here as you can see, you'll be on the page from where here you can live chat with the customer service. Here you can ask all the questions and problems that you are having with your Shein application. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us a like. Have a good day.